This right here is the Soundcore Space One, the brand new mid-range headphone of Anker's Soundcore line. It's light, compact, and love the color by the way, gorgeous. But the question is, can headphones be any good for the price of $99? We are about to find out. Let the facts speak. Once more, we welcome you to watch our test that we did with our binaural microphone, which helps you hear things similar to how you would hear them in real life. This works especially well if you wear surround sound earbuds or headphones. Time for some ambient sound so we can dive straight into our test. This is the part where, back at the studio, our minds were blown. No, this is not clickbait, nor is it marketing. These headphones have an insane level of noise cancellation. Compared to the AirPods Max, which are top 3 in the market, we think that they're almost at the same level of the Apple headset, and I personally couldn't tell the difference between them. The official explanation is that Space Ones are equipped with an upgraded structure that provides powerful noise cancellation, particularly in mid to high frequencies. Their adaptive noise cancelling technology automatically detects and analyzes sounds coming from the outside, adjusting to the best noise reduction level in real time in a very successful way, I might add. So, if you're someone who travels around a lot or lives in a noisy city, you won't go wrong with these headphones. And we're going to take a look at, or rather, open our ears to review the audio quality. We've mentioned this before. Unfortunately, there's no way for us to send the headphones over to you so that you can check out the quality for yourself, so most of the time, you just have to take the YouTuber's word for it. We will give you our opinion in a bit, but here's a chance for you to listen for yourself.
I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
And what do you guys think? If there were any obvious differences, tell us in the comments, and we'll also love to get back to you. Our opinion is, as it is usually with Soundcore headphones, it's a real pleasure to listen to hip-hop. Good bass which can be increased even more from the app, and an overall enjoyable experience. The mids and highs are decent, and if you're a casual listener like me, then rock, classic, and electro will also be fine for you, as they were fine for me, but in general, hip-hop is where it's at for Soundcore. As for the design, comfort, and durability, there are more positives than negatives. This is a fairly typical design for Soundcore headphones. What I see as an improvement is that the padding that goes right over your head is pretty thick and soft, which ensures a comfortable fit for hours on end. Contrary to how soft it looks, it's actually pretty durable, as me pulling on it and scratching it didn't damage it in any way. The ear pads are made of the same material of the same color, and I guess it's pretty obvious that they're also quite comfortable. Also, with the floating axis design, the ear cups rotate 8 degrees in either direction, effortlessly conforming to the contours of any head for a natural fit. Inside the left ear cup, there is a sensor that determines if you're wearing the headphones or not, and stops the music when you take them off, as well as also starting it up again when you put them back on. For $99, that is really impressive. The outside is made of a firm plastic, and the headphones as a whole are pretty sturdy and flexible, but this obviously doesn't mean you should be freely throwing them around as plastic and crack. On the left side, you have the USB-C charging port, a headphone jack for instances when you run out of battery, the power, as well as the noise cancelling buttons. On the right, the volume buttons as well as a play stop button are neatly tucked in. Overall, I think it's a pretty standard design and I really don't have any improvements to suggest or any criticisms for stuff that stick out. What I do have is a lot of praise for some super cool features that I would not expect on headphones at this price range. For example, there is something called Easy Chat, which allows you to lower the music volume from your device and make vocals clearer for short conversations. You can choose from touch to enable, which lets you touch and hold the left side to turn this feature on. As soon as you let go, the music will continue to play at a higher volume. There is also Speak to enable, which lowers the sound of the music as soon as you start speaking and keeps it like that for 5 seconds even after you stop, or you can just press the noise cancelling button to stop it prematurely. At first, we thought the second one wouldn't work so well because it would also pick up people speaking around you, but it actually doesn't. It only works when the person who's wearing it is speaking, which is insane. Remember, these headphones cost $99. Coupled with the sensor that knows when you're wearing them or not, I think these features are top-notch and really useful.
We're going to check out the mic quality of these headphones. On my head is the Soundcore Space One, which I have to admit is very light and comfortable, so let's hope that I will also be pleased with the mic quality. Next in line, we're going to take a look at
the Apple AirPods Max. Now, looking at the design as well as the sound quality, these are by far some of my favorite headphones, but we want to compare it to the Soundcore Space One, and I really do hope that the sound quality of the mics will not be too different. My hopes and dreams were only partially fulfilled, but you do need to remember that the AirPods Max is one of, if not the best headphones out there. Considering that they're around 6 times more expensive than the Space Ones, it's natural to expect them to have a really good mic. The Space One's mic is decent, in fact better than average when considering all the headphones we tested in our previous comparisons, some of them having double the potential price tag of Soundcore's newest release. Comparing it to the headphones that I've also used that have been around the same level, I vouch for this mic as being good enough for everyday use. And in conclusion, the Soundcore Space Ones are really solid headphones with an even more solid price. At just $99, this is easily one of the best bang for buck headphones on the market, with flagship levels of noise cancelling that compete with the best brands in this regard, such as Apple and Bose. Take a look at the links in the descriptions if you would like to learn more about the Space One, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment to support us. I'll see you around.